Students, myself Ajit Kumar Chaube. Today we learn photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is an anabolic process in which green plants make their food, sugar, by use of raw material carbon dioxide and water in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. Oxygen is produced as byproduct. Now, anabolic process means constructive process. Such processes in which two small molecules, micromolecules, carbon dioxide and water combine together to form equivalent large molecule, macromolecule glucose is called anabolic or constructive process. Glucose formed is polymer. Glucose forms polymer starch stored in different plant part as energy reserve. If we take plant product as food source, starch stored as reserve food in liver in the form of glycogen. Now, site of photosynthesis: green leaves having green plastid chloroplast which have chlorophyll. Other type of plastids are leucoplast, colorless plastid found in root, and chromoplast, colored plastid other than green found in fruit and flower. Structure of chloroplast. Chloroplast is bounded by two unit membrane, outer membrane, inner membrane. Inner membrane is lamellated, having coin-like structure stacked one above another, known as thylakoid. All thylakoid aggregate together to form grana. Two grana are joined by rod-like structure called stroma lamellae present in lumen of chloroplast called stroma. In stroma, fluid-like material is called matrix. Now, photosynthesis is divided into two phases. Light reaction phase take place in grana, while dark reaction phase take place in stroma. All the process take place in three steps. First step, absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. As a result, it becomes photoexcited, positively charged because it loses electron. Second step involves photophosphorylation and photolysis of water. First of all, photophosphorylation. Photo means light, phosphorylation means synthesis of ATP. Synthesis of ATP takes place in light, so called photophosphorylation. During photophosphorylation, electron lost from chlorophyll passes through a number of electron carriers in chlorophyll pigment system. As a result, at some steps, so much energy is released which is sufficient to form ATP. Now, photolysis of water. Photo means light, lysis means breakdown. Breakdown of water in presence of light into hydrogen ion plus hydroxyl ion. This is written as follow: hydrogen ion received by NADP, an enzyme present in matrix of chloroplast, and its charge annulled by 2 electrons formed as a result of formation of water and byproduct oxygen from hydroxyl ion. Thus, NADP become converted into NADPH2, NADP reduced to NADPH2. Step 1 and step 2 are known as first phase of photosynthesis, light reaction. As a result of light reaction, first and second phase, ATP plus NADPH2 are formed. ATP used as energy source to bind carbon dioxide and water to glucose level. NADPH2 act as a reducing agent which reduces carbon dioxide to sugar level in dark phase, third step. ATP plus NADPH2 aggregately called assimilatory power. Now third step, reduction of CO2 to carbohydrate, glucose. In this process, various intermediate products are formed in cyclic way. In summarized way, CO2 is first received by RUBP, ribulose biphosphate, a 5-carbon sugar. As a result, glucose is formed. Thus, step 1 and step 2 forms light reaction phase, while step 3 dark reaction phase. Now, we explain short abbreviations as RUBP, ribulose biphosphate, NADP, a enzyme present in matrix, nicotinamide, adenine dinucleotide, ATP, adenosine triphosphate, ADP, adenosine diphosphate. A phosphate inorganic combines with adenosine diphosphate. As a result, ATP is formed called phosphorylation. Its reverse dissociation of ATP leads to formation of ADP plus phosphate inorganic. Now, some notable fact. Synthesis of ATP takes place in mitochondria called phosphorylation, but in chloroplast, photophosphorylation takes place in presence of light to form ATP as energy source. That's all. Thank you.